How to connect your Twitch account with your YouTube channel. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Twitch and this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner and click here on your profile picture. Click on settings. It will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is click here on connections, as you can see. Now after you click on connections, scroll down and you will find YouTube here, as you can see. Click on YouTube and click on connect from here, and you will be able to connect your YouTube channel from here, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.